Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Mishka Grover, and today I'm going to tell you guys everything, all the tea about medical colleges. See, when you're entering MBBS na, you do not realize that you're entering into a whole new life, a whole new routine, which will literally, take some time to adjust into. Plus, I shifted from Delhi to Bombay, so it was like new places, new faces, new everything. So it was like I was out of my comfort zone all the time. So I decided to take a little bit of a break. But now that I'm back, I want to share with you guys everything, all my experiences that I have had. अब starting से I'll tell you guys, ठीक है? Starting में when we entered the college, there was like a foundation course for like 11 days or something. जिस course में they literally gave us an intro to medicine. Like they told us, they taught us CPR, which is cardiopulmonary resuscitation. I'll show some video here if I can. I did CPR. They took us for tree plantation. They took us to a village hospital, rural hospital somewhere to show us what is the condition in rural hospitals. But that foundation course could never have, prepared me for what MBBS actually is, because after that foundation course was over now, the seniors did tell us in the starting that you'll miss the foundation course because once the classes will start now, my god. And now that the classes have started, we actually had one of our exams also, which was the first formative assessment, and that is over now. It went kind of well. I haven't gotten my results yet, so I don't know, but hopefully it went good and I'll get a good grade in that. And it's like, yes, the syllabus is a lot. The classes may the syllabus is moving pretty fast because they have to cover a lot of things within the year, and every day there's something going on in the college. Like every other day there's a practical, every other day there is a demo, every other day there's a class that you cannot miss. There's dissection. Oh my god, dissection. I cannot tell you guys. Oh my god, dissection. See, we have three subjects in first year. We have anatomy, we have physiology, and we have biochemistry. So in anatomy, they have something called dissection, where a group of 10 people, like 200 ka batch hai in my college. So they divided the batch with I think 10, 11 people in one group. So a group of 10 people will be given a cadaver, which is a dead body, a human being which died and donated their body, and or like somebody whose body was unidentified or something, and through the right legal course it came to the hospital, and we 10, 11 students will get the chance to cut that body open, take out the muscle, the fascia, the everything, the tissues and everything, take out the organs, maybe take out the bones and everything, in order to learn from it. The cadaver is our first teacher, is what we've been taught, and it is really, really true, and it's a really sensitive topic, and it should the cadaver should really be respected. The thing is, I'm the kind of person who likes to be I am a very competitive person. I am a very competitive person and a strong headed person. So when the teacher has asked me to do something now, I'll do it, and I'll do it well. So I'll start dissecting, and while I'm in that mode now, I'll dissect, I'll cut the skin, I'll take out the tissue, or I'll take out the fascia, and I'll cut the muscle, and I'll see the muscle, and I'll learn everything. Ki this muscle is deltoid, this muscle is maybe trapezius, and that is the rhomboid minor, the rhomboid major. I'll learn the everything. If they've asked to when you cut the body open, there is fat and everything. I know this might be too descriptive for some of you all, but yeah, so it is what it is. And if you're going into MBBS, you need to realize what you're getting into. So this is what you're getting into. You're getting into cutting a cadaver open to learn from it, which is a really, really sensitive thing. So while I'm doing it now, I do it well. I try my best and I do it well. And when I get out of that dissection hall, I sit and I realize what actually I have done. You're getting it? Like when I'm doing it, I'm into it. And when I'm done with it, I sit down and I get time to realize what I've done. Yeah. So that's that. That's anatomy. So my reason for joining this college or shifting to Bombay was that my main thing is that I want to have a fun college life. And it's like every day I wake up with the mindset that I have to do the most I can. I have to not waste this day. I cannot waste this day. And I have to do everything that I can. I have to have the most fun and I have to make the best out of my day. Every day I wake up with this mindset. बट यहाँ पे क्या होता है, आई वेक अप एट अराउंड 6-7, आई गेट रेडी, आई गो टू मेस, आई ईट माई ब्रेकफास्ट, आई गो टू कॉलेज इज फ्रॉम 9 to 5, आई कम बैक, आई गो टू द मेस अगैन, ईट समथिंग, कम टू द रूम, and after coming I'm literally so exhausted. I sleep for like 2 hours. I know I sleep too much. I sleep for 2 hours on this bed behind me. I do not have time to clean my room. My room is kind of messy, but I cleaned this much for you guys because I love you guys. I want you guys to, like my videos and have fun. So I cleaned this much for you guys. Yeah. So it's like, it's a big schedule and you cannot really have a lot of fun while you're in MBBS, but I try my best too. I try my best. After coming to this college now, I have done all that I can. I've had a lot of experiences. जब कोई competition होता है, जब कोई कुछ भी होता है, I am the first person to go in that line and I say that I want to do it. अब मेरे कॉलेज की ना एक बात जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है, there is always something or the other thing going on. It's never a day which will go like आज तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. Every day something is going on. If there is not a competition, we'll do something else. It's not the place, it's the people. And I found many good people here. Iske alawa, talking about my seniors, I love my seniors. All my seniors are amazing. This little bit of a clip is just for you guys. You guys are amazing. My seniors are amazing. I love them. हमें हमारे seniors ने बुलाया लाइन से कि introduction करने के लिए. They were like, tell us where you're from and what's your name and what are your hobbies. हमें लगा था hobbies पूछ के हमारी ragging लेंगे, कुछ डांस कराएंगे चिकनी चमेली पे. No, they did not. They are very nice people. हमें बिल्कुल तंग नहीं किया उन्होंने. And they are so sweet and I love my seniors. Whenever I have any problem, I can call them up and I can ask that, ma'am, I have this problem. Please help me with it. And they'll always help me. That was kind of an overview of my month or so in college. So I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, and if you liked my vibe, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching. Lots of love.